The library book.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Wow! A trunk!
What's inside it?
Old books. Grandad left them in here for anyone who wants one.
Oh, wow! Let's have a look. Look at this one. Yeah. Wow, Misha, your grandfather has some amazing books.
I've never seen these before. The Cases of Detective Claudia Clue.
Voyage to the Center of the Noodle. The Great Cataclysmic Catastrophe.
They all look alike to me.
Ooh, and what about this one? Invisible Spies. It's from the local library. And here it says it was due back 20 years ago?
No problem. We'll return it.
But what if they charge your grandfather a fine for returning it late?
Or even worse, what if they send him to prison?
Don't exaggerate. That won't happen. Maybe they'll just take away his library card for a few weeks. Yeah, but your grandfather loves reading. He takes a book out of the library every week, and now he won't be able to. You're right. The book is called Invisible Spies, right? I have an idea. Okay, friends. Operation Invisible Spies begins. The first stage of the plan is to have a good plan.
Are we going to dig a tunnel? Will we need to hack computers?
It's easier than that. We'll go into the library with the book hidden in a backpack. Gina and Howie will distract the librarian. Carol will act as a shield so we won't be spotted. And Larry and I will look for the right bookshelf. That way we can put the book back in its place and they won't take away your grandfather's library card.
That's easy as pie. I was expecting a little more adventure.
Well, I have a really important mission for you. Go get the book out of the trunk and put it in the backpack. Okay, the second stage of the plan is to carry it out.
What a big group. Do you need anything?
No, we've come to read.
That's fine, but I'll be closing in 15 minutes. Oh, and keep your voices down. This is a library.
We do need some help. We're looking for a book called Powerful Four Winds Inventions.
That doesn't sound familiar. Let me look it up.
Larry, what are you doing?
I'm looking for the book, but they all look the same to me.
We have to look for the S section, for spies. I found an encyclopedia about little flowers. I just love it. Perfect. Put yourself here, Carol. That way you'll block us.
Well, we don't have the book you're looking for. What are your friends up to?
Oh, nothing. And do you have the book A History of Basketball, Volume 6?
I'll check.
Here we are. S for spies. Larry, get the backpack. Larry, this isn't the book.
Huh?
This one is called Invincible Spices, not Invisible Spies.
Okay, so I got confused. I already told you. All books look the same to me.
Shh. The library's about to close. You have 6 minutes and 47 seconds to go to my house, get the book, and come back.
Done.
What book do we ask for now?
I don't know. I think she's beginning to get suspicious.
I don't have the book titled The Adventure of Living with 10,000 Fish. Are you sure you're not making up the names to all these books?
Come on, Larry. Oh, here he comes.
Shh. No running. And start gathering up your things. We're about to close.
It's this one. Where should I put it?
Up on the highest shelf. Impossible. We'll never get it up there. Psst. Gina.
I agree with you. My favorite Super Chef book is also Help! Wilting Spinach.
We did it!
Watch out! What happened?
Would you mind telling me what's going on? And what's this book? I haven't seen it around here for years.
We We just wanted to return the book, and we didn't want Grandad's library card to be taken away because he loves to come here to read.
Don't worry, Misha. It's all my fault. I forgot to return the book, and I'll take responsibility for that. From now on, I'll just play bowls instead. Here's my library card.
It's not a big deal. I even forgot that we had this book.
So that means...
Keep your card because you're one of our most veteran library members. That mistake could happen to anyone.
Now that you mention it, I think I have a book that I haven't returned.
Me too.
Oh, you mean we're supposed to return books to the library? I thought we could just keep them at home.
What a crazy crowd. But thanks to all of you kids, we've retrieved enough missing books that we can now open up a new room in the library.
And I'm gonna read them all.
Well, I'm even thinking of writing one.
Oh, really? About what?
About some kids who return a book to the library. It might not sound like much, but it's an amazing adventure story.